I am happy being poor. I'm happy to not be able to travel wherever I want to travel. I'm happy to not buy the mobile I have always wanted. I'm happy if I'm not able to give the toys that my kids want. I'm happy that I'm not able to go to the most exclusive restaurant in the city. I'm happy with the fact that I cannot buy my dream car. I'm happy that I cannot own my dream home. I might not be happy, but because I have accepted all of these things, I have accepted not being able to buy a dream home. I have accepted not being able to buy my dream car. I have accepted not being able to go to the finest restaurant in the city. I have accepted that I cannot travel wherever I want to. I have accepted the life how it is, and I am happy with whatever is there around me. Though I might be complaining for so many things, but somewhere I have found my happiness in those complaints, and I have found some excuses in those complaints, and I have learned to live with whatever I have, and I have learned to live with the complaints, and I have learned to live with the excuses, and I have learned to live how I live. I do not want to learn new things. I do not want to make a new life for myself. I do not want to make a better life for my family. I do not want to give something to the society. I do not want to give something to my country. I do not want to give something back to the Mother Earth. And I say I am happy, I am satisfied because I am middle class, I am poor. I don't know why, I am just happy. I'm happy for doing nothing. Is this how we are? But is this how we really want to be? Do we really want to be like this for entire life? If you think that you have to be there where you are today, then let me tell you, you are wrong. You can change it. And you can change everything around your life. And you can make things a lot better than they are today, only by things that are there in your hand. Nobody else is responsible for them, for all these things. Hello. So if you are happy with whatever you have, and if you are happy with whatever you do not have, with so many things that you can have, you can happy with not having so many things that you can have, or you don't think so that you are happy, and you don't think that you are responsible for all of these reasons, then let me tell you how you are responsible. If you are somebody who has been snoozing their alarms, if you are somebody who has been making a lot of New Year resolutions, but by the 3rd or 4th of January, all the resolutions go whoosh. If you are somebody who have been wanting and looking for weekends more than looking for weekdays, if you are saying, oh no, it's a Monday and I'll have to work, then you are the reason. If you are somebody who chooses to sleep few extras because you do not want to get up, then you are the reason. If you do not like to work out, then you are the reason. If you are like, I can eat a little more, then you are the reason. If you think that you are not ready to take risks, then you are the reason. If you're not taking risks, then you are the reason. If you're not trying something new in your life, then you are the reason. If you are following what your father or your grandfather or your great grandfather did, then you are the reason. There are so many reasons, and if any of the reason is good for you, then you are the reason for you choosing to not be happy with whatever you have. You are choosing to stay poor. You are choosing to stay middle class. And when I say middle class is the new poor class in the society. Middle class is not middle class, but a poor class. We just have created this class, a definition that gives us a feeling, okay, we are average. We are not worse, we are not the best, but we are average, and we feel happy being called as an average person. We feel happy in being a part of the average community. We feel happy with the average kind of life that we spend. We feel happy with making excuses that all the other average people are making in their life. And we are just happy. We somehow are just happy with what we have got, and we do not even find out a reason. We do not even feel that we somewhere are not happy. We somewhere are not satisfied to not get what we want to get. We have just made us believe. We have just made us believe that these many reasons are causing me to not become rich. You know, the government or the economy or the customer or the business or the job or the boss or the senior, we have given so many excuses to ourselves that these are the reasons for me not being able to achieve what I want to achieve. We never give ourselves the reason. We never feel that we are the reason for our poverty or our poorness. We never feel that. And if the day you start feeling this, the day you realize this, that it's you who can change your life, everything is on you, dependent on you, and waiting for you to take action. Your life is just waiting for you to start taking action, and you will see miracles happening. You will see how the life starts changing. You just have to start taking action every single day of your life. Just one day. Do not think of taking actions for the next 15, 30 days or 1 year. Do not make a new year resolution that you would be doing something for the next 1 year. Just make your today the best day of your life. Just work as hard as you can today. Do not think of tomorrow or the day after or the month after. Think of today and make today the best day of your life. And if you are able to do that, if you are able to put in all that you can into today, then you have achieved what you have wanted to achieve in the maybe next couple of months. And you will start seeing the difference, how things have started changing and how you have started making less excuses, how you have started to understand that you are the reason for all of these things and you can change all of these things. It is only about this mindset. It is only about the attitude that we carry. It is only about the attitude of not learning anything new. It is only about the attitude of not taking risks. It is only about being in the comfort zone. And if I choose to get out of the comfort zone and start working today, every day, I will be successful and nobody can stop me from being successful. Yes, best of luck to you, and tell me in the comments if you have any questions or any queries, and do like and subscribe my channel if you love my videos. Have a great day.